Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making tomato chili pasta. For this I have taken 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 to 3 tomatoes, they are chopped, 250 grams of boneless chicken, 6 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 3 green chilies, they are sliced, juice of 1 lemon, 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger and garlic, they are both chopped. And here I have taken 1 cup of pasta. I have taken this spiral pasta. This is boiled. Now first of all, I'll add the oil in the pan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll wait for the oil to be heated. Now oil is heated and now I'll add in onion, ginger and garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'll fry till onion is translucent. Now onion is translucent. And here I'll add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I'll fry till chicken changes its color. Now chicken has changed its color. And now I'll add in all the remaining ingredients. Now first I am adding pasta. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salt and chili flakes. Tomato paste, tomatoes, and lastly I am adding some water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'll cook this covered till moisture or this liquid evaporates and sauce thickens. Now water has been dried. I hope everything is visible to you people. And now lastly I'll add in green chilies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And lemon juice. Now this is done. Tomato chili pasta is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.